This is the Demco Hijacker Autoslide Premier Series 18K. It's mounted in a 2017 Ram. It's got the factory OEM fifth wheel prep package on it. I really like the hitch. It's only 2 years old, showing a little bit of rust here and there, and that's kind of surprising. This truck has never been on any highways where a salt slurry was still on the surface. And it's not bad. I'm probably nitpicking, but I'll show you the bolts. Now this here kind of surprised me. I've had to move 2 different fifth wheels, so I had the plates scooted in. Now I've got to get them back out for the newer one. And backing these bolts out, you can see how bad it's rusted in here. So I'm going to take some measurements on the bolt and try to find out what I can get on a really good bolt that's got some kind of plating on it, cadmium or whatever, to prevent some rust. Meanwhile, I'll use good old WD-40, gel lubricant, no drip, whatever there. That is pretty good stuff. WD-40 claims it'll stay on there for 1 year, and I tend to believe it. Got some issues here. I still don't know what done this. I got some serious scratches in here on the plate. Rust is going to be my concern, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'll touch it up. That's probably the biggest piece. Like I say, I really like the hitch and would buy it all over again. Nothing pivots on this like this. What you're doing is when you turn, the kingpin frame is locked into here and here, and the entire thing will turn, and as it turns, it comes back. So the whole box is turning. As you turn, it slides backwards via a rack and pinion. Roughly $1,300 or $1,400 for the top hitch, the hitch itself, and the OEM system. The plate that goes into the fifth wheel prep package is around 550 bucks. And because of the height of these Rams, they are so tall, you've got to get it in the lowest position. And it's just about perfect with this particular trailer, with this particular fifth wheel, which has 16-inch tires. But when I was making my adjustments, I called Demco and was talking to them about it on the height. You still need about at least 5 to 6 inches minimum here. I was happy to get it in its lowest position and still have everything to come out pretty level, because I did not want to have to raise the kingpin up anymore.